Not the first, not the last. Phil, get out of the way. You guys having fun? Well, after yesterday's game, you're not going to ruin his day. That's right. Come on.
Dad, Mom didn't get into me and I.
Empty it out.
Hey, Grace. Grace.
Ready?
Are you having fun? Oh, we missed Lily's run.
Did you hear that?
What?
Totally awesome.
Oh, can you help Grace before my fingers fall off?
Ready? Lean back. Oh no, sit all the way back. Lean all the way back.